In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the SQL Server and operator to combine multiple Boolean expressions. The AND is a logical operator that allows you to combine two Boolean expressions. It returns true only when both expressions evaluate to true. The following illustrates the syntax of the AND operator. The Boolean expression is any valid Boolean expression that evaluates to true, false, and unknown. The following table shows the result when you combine true, false, and unknown values using the AND operator. When you use more than one logical operator in an expression, SQL Server always evaluates the AND operators first. However, you can change the order of evaluation by using parentheses. See the following products table in the sample database. How to use an operator. The following example finds the products where the category identification number is 1 and the list price is greater than 400. Here is the result. How to use multiple AND operators. The following statement finds the products that meet all the following conditions: category ID is 1, the list price is greater than 400, and the brand ID is 1. The result is as follows. How to use the AND operator with other logical operators. See the following query example. The following shows the result. In this example, we used both OR and operators in the condition. As always, SQL Server evaluated the AND operator first. Therefore, the query retrieved the products whose brand ID is 2 and list price is greater than $1,000, or the products whose brand ID is 1. To get the product whose brand ID is 1 or 2 and list price is larger than $1,000, you use parentheses as follows. The query returned the following result. Let's do some practice, shall we? In this tutorial, you have learned how to use the SQL Server and operator to combine two Boolean expressions. Need to release stress and reduce anxiety after a long day at work? Watch our soothing relaxation music collection. It can help calm your nerves and take attention away from a noisy brain. In fact, relaxing music has been scientifically shown time and time again to calm the autonomic nervous system. And best of all, it is free from our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please help us grow our YouTube channel. Hit that like button, share and subscribe. Have a great day.